In the vast realm of philosophical musings and thought experiments, few ideas are as intriguing and perplexing as last Thursdayism. This hypothesis challenges our fundamental understanding of reality by proposing that the universe may have come into existence just last Thursday, complete with all the memories, historical records, and evidence of a much older existence. While on the surface, this concept might seem absurd, it serves as a thought-provoking exploration of epistemology, skepticism, and the boundaries of empirical evidence. We will delve deep into the concept of last Thursdayism, examining its origins, its implications for our understanding of reality, and the broader philosophical questions it raises. We will also explore the practical challenges associated with disproving belief systems like last Thursdayism and why they persist despite their apparent absurdity. Before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. It truly helps us grow. Now, let's get started. Origins of last Thursdayism. To understand last Thursdayism, we must first trace its origins. This hypothesis, sometimes referred to as last Thursdayism, last Thursdayianism, or last Thursdayismism, is often credited to the philosopher and skeptic Bertrand Russell. In his 1921 essay, The Analysis of Mind, Russell introduced the idea as a means of illustrating the difficulty of disproving unfalsifiable beliefs. Russell's original formulation of last Thursdayism goes like this: there is no logical impossibility in the hypothesis that the world sprang into being 5 minutes ago, exactly as it then was, with a population that remembered a wholly unreal past. In other words, according to last Thursdayism, the entire universe, including all living beings and their memories, could have spontaneously appeared just moments ago, yet everyone would have the false impression of a long and complex history. Implications for our understanding of reality. At first glance, last Thursdayism may appear to be a purely whimsical and absurd notion. However, beneath its surface lies a profound philosophical challenge to our understanding of reality and the reliability of our senses and memories. 1. The problem of memory. Last Thursdayism forces us to question the reliability of our own memories. If the universe indeed came into existence last Thursday, how do we explain our recollection of events that supposedly occurred long before? Can we trust our memories to accurately reflect the past, or are they merely constructs of a universe created ex nihilo? 2. The nature of evidence. This hypothesis raises questions about the nature of empirical evidence. If all evidence, including historical documents, geological records, and scientific observations, were generated at the moment of creation, what value does such evidence hold? How can we distinguish between evidence that reflects a genuine past and evidence that is part of an illusory history? 3. The concept of time. Last Thursdayism challenges our understanding of time itself. If the universe's apparent age is an illusion, what does this say about the nature of time? Is time merely a human construct, or does it have a deeper, objective existence? Challenges in disproving last Thursdayism. One of the most intriguing aspects of last Thursdayism is the challenge it poses to disproof. Unlike many scientific hypotheses, last Thursdayism is intentionally unfalsifiable, making it immune to empirical verification or refutation. This characteristic highlights the inherent difficulty of disproving belief systems that are constructed to resist empirical scrutiny. 1. The unfalsifiability paradox. Last Thursdayism relies on the idea that any evidence presented to disprove it was also created last Thursday. This creates a paradoxical situation where evidence against the hypothesis is effectively nullified, as the hypothesis itself accounts for the creation of such contradictory evidence. 2. The limits of empirical science. Empirical science relies on the observation of phenomena, the collection of data, and the formulation of theories based on evidence. Last Thursdayism challenges the very foundation of empirical science by suggesting that all observations and data could be fabricated. This raises the question of whether empirical science can ever be a definitive method for understanding reality. 3. Occam's razor. Occam's razor is a principle in philosophy that suggests the simplest explanation is often the best one. Last Thursdayism is anything but simple, as it introduces unnecessary complexity by positing a universe created with a fabricated history. However, proponents of this belief might argue that simplicity itself is an illusion created by the very universe it questions. The persistence of distorted belief systems. Last Thursdayism serves as an extreme example of a distorted belief system that challenges our understanding of reality. While this hypothesis may seem absurd to most, it is essential to recognize that distorted belief systems persist for various reasons, even in the face of overwhelming evidence to the contrary. 1. Cognitive biases. Human beings are prone to cognitive biases that can lead them to embrace and defend irrational beliefs. Confirmation bias, for example, causes individuals to seek and interpret information in a way that confirms their existing beliefs. In the case of last Thursdayism, adherents may dismiss contradictory evidence as part of the illusion. 2. Psychological comfort. Distorted belief systems can provide psychological comfort and a sense of certainty in an uncertain world. Believing in a predetermined universe, even one as paradoxical as last Thursdayism, can offer a form of solace by simplifying complex existential questions. 3. Cultural and social factors. Belief systems are often deeply embedded in cultural and social contexts. Communities that share a belief, no matter how outlandish, can reinforce and perpetuate that belief, making it difficult for individuals to abandon it, even in the face of contradictory evidence. Last Thursdayism, while a seemingly absurd and whimsical concept, serves as a thought-provoking exploration of the limits of empirical evidence, the nature of reality, and the challenges of disproving distorted belief systems. By forcing us to question the reliability of our memories, the nature of evidence, and the concept of time, it challenges our fundamental understanding of the world. Moreover, last Thursdayism highlights the inherent difficulty of disproving belief systems intentionally designed to resist empirical scrutiny. While it may be tempting to dismiss such beliefs as absurd, we must recognize that cognitive biases, psychological comfort, and social factors can contribute to the persistence of even the most irrational ideas. In the end, last Thursdayism reminds us that our understanding of reality is shaped by our perceptions and beliefs, and that the quest for truth often involves navigating the complexities of human cognition and belief systems. As we continue to explore the boundaries of knowledge and epistemology, last Thursdayism will remain a captivating philosophical puzzle, inviting us to question the very foundations of our existence.